It is.
This feels like a group project where everyone had a different idea.
It smells like those cinnamon, those red hearts.
Yeah, oh, I mean,
It smells like those red hearts.
tamales are just chock full of cinnamon.
So you want to just focus right there.
Where did it get you?
I raised my hand and it hit me right here.
It's like literally like one of the best things out there. It's anything but a refrigerator.
Are you sure? Get a design for it.
I'm very certain. I'm waiting for Shannon to crack open the thing, whatever. It's a console.
Oh, this one's...
Try to fool me in.
How do I get it to stop recording?
Just hit the red button again.
It's a glowy thing.
How many reels does it take to turn a beat?
What makes you think I ever leave?
Maybe I could just like...
That one. That's cinnamon in my nose.
Maybe if I can like... record it like this, flying. I don't want to...
That would work.
Oh, this got hair all over it though. I don't think he was that one.
So if I go like this...
Actually, it's not the face. Oh yeah, it was facing right.
Oh, it fell off. I'm waiting for it to like disappear.
Oh, sorry, I wasn't prepared for this.
Be like, is it dead?
It's dead, right? I think so.
Guys, I'm not totally sure if that's dead. It was moving on its own.
We have this line.
Gotta press the button.
I am. It's a little stuck.
Shine right there on the
It cannot harm us anymore.
Kobe.
This is all outtakes. I like this. This is all outtakes.
That was so bad. That was so bad.
I am the Master Commander.
This beast went down harder than Kobe's helicopter.